Romanticizing your life is not about waiting for a fairy tale to come. It's about creating magic in your everyday moment. Take yourself out on a date. Take yourself on a cute cafe. Go out to have fun. Go out to enjoy yourself, to enjoy your company. This is called romanticizing your life. So in this video, we are going to discuss how you can romanticizing your life. How can you be the main character of your life and enjoy your life and start living your life? Step number one is romanticize your morning. Morning is a game changer. Trust me, when you change your morning routine, you will change your life. So, for that, when you wake up, don't just go and look at your phone for hours. Just go out to have some walk, to have some sun, or make yourself coffee, make yourself some breakfast, put on a cute outfit, and put some soft music and just dance, slow dance, and enjoy your life. Enjoy every moment of your morning. Enjoy being waking up and enjoy being happy. Enjoy being live in your life. Enjoy everything in your life. Step number two is make ordinary moments feel special, and this is mean that when you wake up, it's special to be waken up because there's are a lot of people that die and they do not have the chance to wake up. So you have the chance. You're the lucky one. So be grateful for that and enjoy literally every moment of your life. When you brush your teeth, grateful for the moment that you are brushing your teeth. When you're making your hairs, be grateful that yeah, I'm making my hairs, I'm able to make my hairs, I have this beautiful hairs, I have these beautiful hands. And you know what, when you're making your coffee or when you're making your lunch or breakfast or anything, uh, create a moment with yourself, create a happy moment with yourself, talk with yourself nice words and talk yourself with positivity and tell yourself that yeah, I love you, and you know what, you're so special to me, and you're the only one that I love the most, you are my first priority. So tell yourself that yeah, I am always there for you. Tell your beautiful face that yeah, you have the beautiful face. Tell your kind heart that yeah, you have kind heart, and you are very beautiful, like that kind of things, and make your every moment special. So step number three is fall in love with being alone. You know what, we come in this world alone, we are going to end this world alone, so why not being fall in love being alone? Literally, you can fall in love with yourself. Why are you taking validation from other when you can give validation to yourself, guys? So what you can do is you can go to coffee alone, you can go to park alone, you can dance alone, and you can go and eat at a restaurant alone and enjoy being alone. When you're at home, enjoy being alone. And you know what, when you give yourself the company, the love that you needed and that you take from others, that you want others to give you the love that you want, when you give yourself the love, then you truly understand that being alone is not a bad thing. It's actually a very good thing, and we should all be alone and live our best life. Step number four is create an aesthetic life for yourself. You know what? When you wake up, put on a cute dress, put some cute makeup, make your hairs, wear your favorite sandal and go out. You know what? You can go anywhere, like you can walk or you can go to your favorite cafe and eat some ice cream, eat some, pancakes or drink your favorite coffee. Anything, you can do anything. And when you're walking, put some soft and cute music that you love and think that you're in a movie or you're a princess. When you are thinking that you're a princess or you're in a movie, then you actually behave like this, behave like that person who is in movie or who is a person who is a princess. And when you behave like that, you will literally become that, and you will love your life, you will enjoy your life, and everything will always work out for you because you are a princess or you're a main character of your life. Step number 5 is shift your mindset. This is very much important to romanticize your life, because if you're thinking that you don't deserve that life, you will never have that life. So it's very important to shift your mindset and think that I'm the main character of my life and I have the power to change my life. I don't allow myself to become sad or to cry at little things that are not worth living, and start, and I want myself to become happy. I want myself to enjoy every part of my life. When when you create a mindset for yourself, you will literally attract things that are literally attracts your mind. So when you think that, yeah, I deserve it, I deserve to be a princess, I deserve to treat like a princess, then you will literally attract those things that are going to treat you like a princess, that are going to give you happiness, that are going to make you happy. So shift your mindset is very important. So another things that you can do is, when you go out, you can buy yourself flowers, you can buy yourself your favorite chocolate, you can buy yourself your favorite ice cream or anything that you love. So it creates a moment with yourself, and you love, if you love shopping, you will literally love that moment. So whatever you love painting, you love anything, like whatever your hobby or whatever your favorite thing is, when you do that, you can create a moment with yourself. So do that, okay? uh, Go now and do your favorite thing, do your favorite hobby. Gift yourself some flowers, gift yourself some nice perfume, some cute dresses, and whatever you like. So go now and do that. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I'm so grateful that you guys watched this video till the end. I'm so happy to have you guys. And you know what, romanticizing your life is so much easy when you love yourself. So make yourself love, make yourself looking cute and beautiful, and go do that, all the things that I tell you right now, and create a beautiful life for yourself.